Hello everyone, today I am showing you guys this we bought uh, in ground above ground filter. This is really nice robot. It makes a lot of difference. It keeps the bottom and the sides very clean. This is a very powerful machine. It has about 60 feet cord. This is like how you access. You will get your filter here, and this will fill up, and you will just uh, wash it out with your garden hose. It has double filter system. You can see it collects everything there, and you just use your garden hose and you can wash it out. It will collect the things inside this. You can dump it as well. So I will show you how this works in the water. It is kind of heavy, so once you put it inside, this is how you secure it. You can see that it has big wheels. These are like sponge, you can see, and these plastics, it keeps the pool clean. It just rub it against the wall and keeps everything clean. So let's see it in action. So this is the control panel. You can have it like auto start, or and you can have timer. So once you power on, you can select through the cycle 1 hour, 2 hour and 3 hours, and you can select it. Okay, you want it 7 days, and 7 days it will just do its stuff. So here I just started, the machine is on the water. Let's see what it's doing. As you can see, it just started running around the pool. It has very long cable, it's like 60 feet. You can see it's gonna go back and forth. It's doing really good job. This pole we just opened yesterday, and the bottom was very bad. I will also include that video as well. You will see that it made really huge difference. Let's get rid of this, and you can see it's just going up and down, and you will see that eventually it goes all the way up on the walls. Let's see if it's gonna do that. Maybe I need to give more room. If you don't put the cable enough, it while it's trying to go up, right now you can see it's going up. Look at this, it's just going all the way to the top and just scrubbing the corners and making everything clean. This is really powerful machine. It's just, look how powerful it is. It's just going side by side, and now it's diving back and keep clean. It will, you see, it just does its stuff. This one has application as well. You can control it from your phone. You can say, okay, you want it missed something, or you want to direct it to some location. It can go based on your selection. Yeah, I strongly suggest, if you don't want to use a lot of scrubbing, you will be really happy with this machine. I will post a link on Amazon. I got it from Amazon. You guys can use the link. Maybe there will be some discounts by the time you are getting it. Thank you for watching.